The Purasolve HP180 Parts Washer is ideal for cleaning parts quickly and efficiently without the need for dangerous solvents. The unit is designed with ease of use, power savings, time savings and overall cost effectiveness in mind. Built to an ergonomic working height and fitted with flexible neoprene gloves to keep the operator's hands clean and out of the cleaning solution, it provides the ultimate operator comfort. The operator simply slips his hands into the gloves and directs the cleaning fluid stream at the parts. This, coupled with fast heat up, illuminated cabinet, adjustable nozzle and a safe, convenient air-actuated on-off foot pedal results in increased efficiency. The fully enclosed cleaning process uses high-pressure jets of cleaning fluid to efficiently power clean parts without using grit or abrasives, which risk damage to precision machined parts. It includes a thermostat that can be adjusted to 120 degrees Celsius, with a recommended temperature setting of 40 to 45 degrees Celsius for further power savings. The adjustable handheld spray nozzle can be set to a wide fan or pinpoint stream to direct cleaning power and force where needed. A separate air nozzle is provided to blow dry clean parts. It features a working area dimension of 950 by 650 millimetres, a tank capacity of 90 litres and a pneumatic door opening system. The Purasolve HP180 Parts Washer is constructed from rugged AISI chrome steel for longer life in heavy-duty industrial applications. Call 1800 777 580 or email sales@envirofluid.com for inquiries.